Hey guys, hello. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again with my video. Okay, I want to tell you something in December that I'm going out on my trip. So I'm gonna all go to Manchester City because in August the 13th we were going to go to Liverpool, and unfortunately didn't get a chance to go there. So let me tell you some things that I recently never been to Liverpool. I was going to go in the December in 2020, but unfortunately due to COVID, the train has been delayed and everything. So, okay. And I'm got a nice cold. So, maybe if you like, you could go to Manchester, Birmingham, or Liverpool. So, just to get things organized, I'm going to give a great tips where I get the train from Rotherham to Manchester City. Okay, and fingers crossed goes well when it's currently now. Yeah, so got no watch on, unfortunately. Okay, so what am I going to do is tell you 5-10 things about Manchester. So yeah, how to get the train from Rotherham to Manchester City. So just let me check me pass and envelopes that I'm going to use, and certificates, Aces station, and unfortunately I haven't got any money at the moment, so yeah, so I'll be able to buy a train ticket which is cheaper, or you can buy a train ticket or expensive. So what am I going to do is tell you main different things that I'm going to go on my trip. First, I need to take me gloves and me coat, and I need to take me belongings to the station. Yeah, fingers crossed all goes well in the 23rd of December. Okay, so we're gonna talk about how I get in a trip to Manchester or to Birmingham, or to Liverpool, and you can travel by a train or a bus. Right. So I'm gonna go and get things sorted for Manchester. So I'm going to, so guess what? I'm ready to go and catch the train. And you remember, so what I'm going to do is make sure that you give me a quick thumbs up, and let's get this sorted with me hair. And my hair is nice and long. Yeah. So, yeah. I'm going to just get my spray out. The body spray to keep me fresh and clean. Because, remember, okay, I've got my hairbrush again, so I can brush my hair, so I can look beautiful and fancy. Okay, so let's brush his hair. Oh God. Okay. I have been to Manchester once or twice. But I actually been to Manchester twice. First, I've been to the airport, and then I've been to the city. So, it's different. So, gotta do this to me hair. And you've got your adapters where you can charge things. So let me show you the charging cables. So we've got charging cables, adapters, so you'll be able to charge it in the trains. I've just been with my mum and dad and my siblings to Manchester, and I really enjoyed it. And it was fun getting this hair nice and brushed. So, yeah, how you can afford a train ticket. No delays. Hopefully, in December 2 years ago, it has been a delay, and of the train to Liverpool, it's been delayed. Then and the train has been delayed. So I'm giving my hair a nice smooth and the brush. Okay. So my hair is nice, and do I look beautiful? Sexy looking good? Yeah. So, yeah. Okay. Oh dear. So, and let's get the so what you need to do is sign your name and buy a ticket. So remember, I was going to go to Liverpool on December, but unfortunately, due to COVID, it has been delayed. It's been delayed, and and the government won't let us travel to the other city. So you have to stay in Newcastle. So Boris Johnson, yeah, sucks. Okay, so what do I need to do is put on me coat, and I need to show you these. So I'm gonna get the spray. Oh, let me see if I can reach it. There we go. And no more COVID-19, hopefully. And I've had 2 vaccines, and I'm fully vaccinated. Yeah. So I need to smell clean and fresh. So remember, if you have questions, that you can always take the X70 train to Manchester, or whatever it is. So please keep washing our hands and until COVID. So COVID's not that bad where it used to be. We used to have a national lockdown, and we've been stuck in quarantine, and I had COVID, and I wasn't very well, and I was sick, and I was tested positive for my ATS station. So okay, so I've been in a train to Sheffield and then London, and it was good. Yeah, I like the trains. I like trains a lot. So if you have any questions, give a thumbs up and subscribe, because I make videos every single day, and hopefully I'm hoping to get the train to Manchester or Birmingham or Liverpool. So I hope you enjoy this video. Make sure to give a thumbs up, subscribe, and if you have any questions, please give a video a shout out. Woohoo! Okay, so I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.